How to import face in EAFC24. First of all, you need to prepare your image. Before importing a face, ensure that you have a high quality image of the person's face you want to import. After that, you need to access the Creation Center. Open the game and navigate to the Creation Center. This is where you can create and customize players, team and other content. Now within the Creation Center, find the option to create or customize a player's face. This may vary depending on the specific version of FIFA you're playing. After that, look for an option to import a face. This might be labeled as import face or something similar. Then simply follow the on-screen prompts to select the image file you prepared earlier. The game will analyze the image and attempt to create a facial likeness based on it. After that, you may have the option to adjust specific facial features such as hair, eyes, nose and mouth to fine-tune the resemblance. Once you are satisfied with the imported face and any adjustment you have made, share your creation. Your imported face should now be available for use in the game. You can assign it to a created player, an existing player or a custom team as desired. Now keep in mind that the exact steps and features may vary slightly depending on the specific version of FIFA you are playing. But yeah, this is how you can import a face in EAFC24. I hope this video was helpful, and that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.